Hi. In 2017, the ticket for the train going to the city has changed, and the vending machines have also changed. So I will show you how to buy a ticket from the vending machine in November 2017, and I will buy a ticket which is with reduced price, since this is due to the fact that I'm already holding the city annual subscription. So here I'm entering the area with the vending machines, and this is the vending machine. I will take the top option, which is going from airport to the city center. Here I select the option that I already hold the annual ticket for the city of Vienna Kern zone. Here I select the S7 train, and the price with reduction is €1.70. Here we insert the cash, and the ticket is being printed, and the change is being given back. This is the new ticket of the Austrian Railways for the trip from Flughafen Wien, Vienna Airport, to the city border. This is a reduced price ticket only for one zone, which is around the airport, and excluding the city area. I bought this ticket with this discount, with the reduction in price, due to the fact that I'm already holding the annual abonnement for the city transport. So I'm paying only for the zone around the airport and till the border with the city area. This is the train station, Flughafen Wien, and the sign shows the direction of the S7 train going to La Andertaya. The price is €1.70. This price is already taking into account the discount.